my Project C5 and today's day 2 of the top end rebuild for my 2003 C5 Corvette. I've already disassembled, if you watched my other video, I already disassembled the majority of the top part. Now I'm working on removing the heads. I'll put a short time-lapse video of me taking the rockers and the push rods out right now. This is kind of how I set it up. Everybody's got their own way of making sure that the push rods and the rockers all go back in place. This is the way I did mine. I just used cardboard and then loaded out. This is also how I'm going to track my head bolts and the sizes. I'll write the sizes next to the bolt placement so that I can make sure the small, the mediums, and the large bolts all go back in the right spot. Here are all my push rods. Make sure that I marked how they're going to go. Again, everybody does this however they want to. This is the way I did it. You don't have to do it my way. It's just a way. So up next, I'm going to remove the passenger side head. I already put the container of coolant underneath that side of the engine, so when I remove it, any coolant that's stuck in the head will just drip it down in there, hopefully not making a big mess. As far as the driver's side, I have to find a way to take off the whole power steering bracket or the alternator bracket or arm, whatever it's called. I know there's a bolt right there and a bolt down there, and then there's one on this side and then one even lower than that, so I think there's a total of 4 bolts. My only issue is getting this pulley off. I don't have the tool to do that, and I don't think I have the room unless I take the ABS portion off, which I don't want to do. I would like to avoid creating more work for myself. So maybe there's a way to do it without doing all that. Maybe I can just get a wrench back here and loosen this enough so that I can pull this off. I don't know, maybe I'll watch a couple videos on how other people did it without doing that. But it looks like this one's going to give me a lot of trouble. Also, when I removed the exhaust manifold, or I loosened it so that it could come off the actual head, the bolts down at the bottom, these bolts are rusty as hell, and one snapped. So now that's another thing I have to add to the dang list of crap I need to fix. So hopefully I can find bolts or whatever to replace that without spending an arm and a leg. Here's my stupid oil pan that keeps leaking. I know it's coming from above somewhere. So, alright, let's get back to it. Alright guys, so my battery was getting low while I was removing the head bolts because I was taking so long. So you didn't get to see me remove all of them, but now they're all removed after a lot of grunting and cussing. But they're all removed. The little clip that's behind this area on a hose, you might be able to make it out. That little clip right there is disconnected, so I should, in theory, be able to lift up on these heads and pull it straight out. So that's what I'm going to try and do now. And then, alright, so I'll put them down right there and we'll try and give this a go. So let's see if I can prop you up and we'll see about how this looks. Shove my fingers in the exhaust port and one up. And down. Alright, everything's good. Head is off. Alright, let's look at these pistons. How ugly they look. Oh man, they are hideous. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna treat this. I doubt I'm going to do a lot of like deep cleaning for fear that stuff's gonna break more and my bank account's gonna get a little less and less, but I think I'm just gonna do what I set out to do, which is change the head gasket, clean it up, and then once everything's all clean, I'm gonna put everything back on. So that's all for right now. I'm not gonna show you me cleaning everything. The next thing you're gonna see is me putting it all back on, and maybe I'll show you when I put on the valve springs. Alright. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe, like, repost it, tell your friends, and I'm out.
You done? Oh, what if I bolt that?